Alright, before we jump into the analysis, let's quickly go over how to get started with SAS. When you open SAS Studio, the first thing you'll see is the editor window, where you type your code. If you want to start fresh, simply click on File in the top left corner, then choose New, and select SAS Program, or you can right-click on an already existing program and select New Program. This gives you a new blank code editor, like opening a new sheet in Excel. Now, it's always a good idea to save your work. To do that, click on the disk icon and give your program a name, something like CRD Analysis. Now, choose a location in your My Folders directory and save the program. You can also rename datasets manually in the Libraries panel by right-clicking on a dataset name and selecting Rename. Finally, don't forget, you can view your datasets by going to the Libraries section, usually on the left-hand side. Click on My Libraries for saved datasets. So, in short, open a new program from the File menu, save it in your folders, give meaningful names to your datasets, and keep your workspace organized. Now that we're set up, thank you for watching.